Welcome to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. If you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. We'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening, both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. This video is part of a series of lessons, so if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review what you've already covered in class, whether we're working together one-on-one, in a group, or you're studying with one of my teachers. These presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and make it stick. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence, so just stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. Today, we'll be learning how to use the phrase so I, or so do I, so am I, so will I, to agree with someone else. It's a simple yet powerful way to express that you share the same feeling or opinion as someone else. For example, I plus the verb equals so do I, meaning I like pizza. Like is a verb, so we want to say so do I, not so like I, so do I. The next one is I plus a verb too. Okay, say for example, I watched a movie last night. So you want to say so did I, because it's in the past. I plus will or can or must. It's going to be so will I, so can I, so must I. For example, I will go to the meeting tomorrow, and you agree with this person, you go, so will I. Now here's another one with the present perfect. So have plus verb 3, so have I. Example, I have finished my work, and you also have finished your work. You're going to say, so have I. So I just want you to remember, this is a great way to keep your conversation flowing naturally, especially when you want to show you share the same thoughts. Now, directions. I want you to agree with the statement. And at this point in time, you can take a pen or a pencil, stop the video, and write down in your notebook your answers, and then play the video to continue with the video and check your answers. You also can find, in addition, more exercises at davidenglish.info under the topic of so do I. And also remember that you can subscribe to my channel, of course, and hit the like button and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and write a comment if you can and send this to a friend. Okay? So let's get started. Number 1 says, I like reading books. I like reading books, and you agree with this person. What do you think the answer is? You want to say, so do I. So do I. 2, I'm going on vacation. Notice here it says, I am going on vacation. I am going on vacation, and you also are going. So you want to say, so am I. So am I. Number 3, I have a big project to finish. I have. Now, have is a verb. So if you have a big project to finish also, what do you think you're going to say? You're going to say, so do I. So do I. 4, I watched a great movie last night. Here, this is the past. It was last night. I watched a great movie last night. And also, you need to think that this happened to you too. So what do you think the answer is? So did I. So did I. Let's go to number 5. I feel hungry right now. Feel is a verb, and it's right now, but don't get fooled. It's a stated verb. I feel hungry right now. What do you think? How do you agree with this person if you are also hungry? You want to say, I feel hungry right now. So do I. So do I. I first want to say that you're all doing so great. Let's continue. Directions. Agree with the statement. Please write this down in your notebook if you want, and then continue with the video. Number 6, I will travel next month. I will travel next month. So will I. 7, I play the guitar. And you also play the guitar. So you want to say, so do I, because play is a verb. And instead of play, you want to say do. Okay? So do I. 8, I'm learning a new language. You want to also say, here, what do you think? I'm learning now a new language. I am learning. And you also are learning a new language. What do you think? So am I. Number 9, I drank coffee this morning. Actually, I have a nice coffee right now. But I drank coffee this morning. It's in the past. So we know that drink is a verb. And you also agree, and you also drank a coffee. So you want to say, so did I. Number 10, I have seen that TV show. This is the present perfect. I've seen that TV show. So you want to say, so have I. Very good. Let's continue. I have to say you're doing very well. Again, stop the video if you have to. You can continue at davidenglish.info to find this lesson. You're doing great. And let's continue, okay? Directions, agree with the statement. 11, I want to go for a walk. Well, so do I. So let's go for a walk. So do I. Number 12, I'm planning to study tonight. I am planning to study tonight. I am. So you want to say, so am I. 13, I like spicy food. This is tough because like is a verb again. So you don't really see what you're supposed to say. But if I like spicy food and you like spicy food, so you want to say, so do I. Let's go get something spicy to eat. Number 14, I went shopping yesterday. I went shopping is in the past. So you want to say, what do you think? So did I. That's great. You're doing amazing. Number 15, I have been to Paris. And you also have been to Paris. So you want to say, so have I. Again, we're agreeing all the time here. And number 16, I enjoy cooking. Enjoy is a verb. And you want to say that you also enjoy cooking. So you want to say, so do I. Let's cook something. Number 17, I'm feeling cold. Oh, but I'm also feeling cold. You're also feeling cold. So you want to say, so am I. 18, I listened to music on my way here. Listened is in the past. Now it's a verb. I listened to music on my way here. And you also listened to music on the way here. You want to say, so did I. 19, I will call my friend later. You also want to call your friend later. So I say, I will call my friend later. You're going to say, so will I. And 20, I have finished my work. Oh, this is great. You also have finished your work. So I have finished my work. You're going to say, I have, or you're going to say, so have I. So have I. That's right. That's right. So have I. And now let's go out to the bar. or let's just go home and sit on the couch, whatever you want to do. So basically, if you want to try this with a partner or with someone at home, you can create positive or negative statements about yourself. For example, I play the guitar, I love pop music. And then you ask your group member to agree with your statements. Okay? That could be your friend that's also practicing English, and that way you get better. So again, I like playing guitar. You want to say, so do I. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Let's move on to the next section where I'll read out the answers and then you need to repeat after me. Let's go. Answer key. Number 1, I like reading books. So do I. 2, I'm going on vacation. So am I. 3, I have a big project to finish. So do I. 4, I watched a great movie last night. So did I. 5, I feel hungry right now. So do I. 6, I will travel next month. So will I. 7, I play the guitar. So do I. 8, I'm learning a new language. So am I. 9, I drank coffee this morning. So did I. 10, I have seen that TV show. So have I. Answer key. Number 11. Let's go. I want to go for a walk. So do I. 12, I'm planning to study tonight. So am I. 13, I like spicy food. So do I. 14, I went shopping yesterday. So did I. 15, I have been to Paris. So have I. 16, I enjoy cooking. So do I. 17, I'm feeling cold. So am I. 18, I listen to music on my way here. So did I. 19, I will call my friend later. So will I. 20, I have finished my work. So have I. Guys, thank you again for coming here to learn English at David English Academy. Again, you can find more exercises at davidenglish.info to practice this. And for more information, just visit and follow my social media accounts. Can't wait to see you later. Bye for now. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years and I can really help you. Currently right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.